Exercise 40. The table above shows some values of the linear function. If f of k is 0, what is the value of k? Okay, so we have a linear function, in other words, a line. We were given 3 points, we only need 2 to find its equation, so here we go. 2, 12, and 3, 9. Every line is given in this form mx plus c. The slope is given by the slope formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Here that could be written as 12 minus 9 over 2 minus 3, which is 3 over negative 1, which is negative 3. So far y is negative 3x plus c, and in order to find c, I'm gonna take the coordinates of one of the points, any of the points would do, and 12 is minus 3 times 2 plus c. 12 is negative 6 plus c. C is 18. So finally, y is negative 3x plus 18. Now, we were told that when k is 0, y, when k, when, sorry, when x is k, when x is k, y is 0. So 0 is negative 3k plus 18. So 3k is 18, which means that k is 6.